Mary Ross Gilbert is a senior retail analyst at Bloomberg Intelligence and joins us now. Mary, I tend to think of Ross as a regional version of TJX because it does the same thing, the discounted goods, the treasure hunt, but it's mainly focused on the California market.
Yeah, California, Texas, yeah. So Ross Stores, though, looks to have, I think, a big beat as well, something that we saw with TJX and maybe even Ross is a bigger beat. We'll see. But it looks to have a strong report today. We're thinking they could beat consensus by maybe 300 basis points when they go to report their sales.
Right.
So, I think off price with the brands that they carry. And if you look at Ross, I mean, they're carrying brands like Coach, Kate Spade, Karl Lagerfeld, and those brands are really resonating with consumers, and they're able to find value in off price. So.
Absolutely. And I should mention Ross is opening 40 new stores in the Midwest and Northeast, so it's not limited to California, but certainly its presence is mainly in California. Let's go to another retailer that has a nationwide presence, and that is Gap. Comparable sales for the third quarter are seen up more than 3%. This is a result of what? Better selection, better investments in its technology infrastructure? What's going on there at the Gap?
Well, actually, Scarlett, there's a whole host of initiatives that the company is being led by Richard Dixon, and he's really kind of brought Gap back to the 90s essence in the sense that they're really executing across the board. The only brand right now that's in a true turnaround mode is Athleta, but their largest brand, Old Navy, is really performing strong. And they just launched their first collab with Anna Sue. So it's Old Navy X Anna Sue, and a lot of pieces selling out. And it's also encouraging more full price selling. And it's something you're seeing with Gap. They just introduced, they have several collabs. So right now they have two active ones. Yeah. And that is Gap X Sandy Liang. Again, a number of key pieces sold out. They also have Gap Studio, which is designed by Zach Posen. So I think everything that they're doing is resonating. The campaigns, I mean, their Better in Denim campaign it's created billions of impressions and over 400 million views. So it's huge what they're doing. And so I think they're going to have a big beat too. All
right, Mary, really appreciate your joining us. Gap and, of course, Ross Stores both reporting earnings today after the market closed. Mary Ross Gilbert, senior retail analyst at Bloomberg Intelligence.